In this video, we're going to do an 8 Caillou hello name or world problem in Codewars. So define a method hello that returns hello name to a given name or says hello world if the name is not given. So we're going to create an if statement. It says if name equals nothing, then return hello world. That's basically saying if the name is empty, return hello world. Else return um, hello. We're gonna do it actually there's this thing called I'm trying to think what it's called, template literals. And basically when you want to do a string that contains a a certain variable in the string. So for instance, hello world is a string that's just all together. But if you wanted to say hello and then make it any name that comes in, so hello, I'll show you here. So if we want it to be hello um, name, what that'll do is say hello and then the name that's plugged into this function. So it'll be anything that you plug it into. It won't only be hello world. So it's a string with a template literal inside. The template literal is the variable that you want to plug in. So this will work for any name that you plug in. So if I plugged in John, it would say hello John. If I plugged in nothing, if the name was empty, if the name was empty right here, it would just say hello world. That's what you do there. And we need to finish that off with an exclamation mark. That should work. Let's test it out. Okay, hello John when given John. Expected hello John equal. Okay, we need to actually make the assuming that name is a string, it checks for user typos to return a name with a first capital letter. So we need to do some things here. Let name fixed, so we're fixing the name, equal name dot to lowercase. So we're gonna check out to lowercase JavaScript. Yeah, so it takes the whole thing to lowercase. And then if we want to capitalize the first letter, how to capitalize first letter in JavaScript? Char at 0 to uppercase. So yeah, we're going to do char at 0 to uppercase. So let name fixed lower, let name fixed upper equal name fixed lower dot char at 0 to uppercase. And then let's try that. Plugging that in instead. So basically, we had the original name, but there was obviously some issues with the thing being that some letters are capital and some letters are lower. We're going to make them all lower, then capitalize the first letter, and then plug it in. Let's test that. Hello, John gives John. Check it out. So that's odd. Trying to figure out. Let me see here. Okay, so let's try it again. Test returns hello John when given John. Expected hello J to equal hello John. Okay, I know. Okay, I got it. We figured it out. So name chart to uppercase. So plus we have to slice the string. That's what we missed. So we have to add plus um, plus name fixed lower. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Lowercase. So how to make a string have the first letter capitalized and the rest lowercase with JavaScript. So yeah, this is actually exactly what we want here. So we're gonna have to edit it a little bit. Um, if it's not a string, if um, or um, or name equals nothing, return nothing. Else return else return um, name.char at plus name.slice lowercase. And we're gonna make that a template literal. So I don't know if this works or not. We're gonna try hello. Um, that's great. And then we add an exclamation. So return hello world. That worked. Okay, so what we did was we checked if it's not a string or if it's empty or whatever it is. If it's basically not a name, if the name is empty or not a string, we return hello world. Else we return hello in template literals the name with at the zero index, make it uppercase plus the rest of the name um, at all lowercase and an exclamation mark. Now we use the slice method. Let's see what the slice method does. Slice method in JavaScript extracts a section of an array or string and returns a new array or string without modifying the original. It accepts two arguments, start and end. So um, let me see here. So it's basically if you have a start but no end, so you just do so you have a start and end. So for instance, this is the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You slice 1 through 4. So just 1 through 4, it would give 2, 3, and 4. So it doesn't include the one. Yes, I guess that's what it does. And then it goes up to the 4. Um, if you have hello world and you do 0 through 5, it would be the first letter through the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just be hello. So what we're doing here is we're just doing a start. So we're just doing slice at the second character. So at the second character of the name all the way to the end because there's no end to it. So it's just all the way to the end. That gives you the end of all lowercase. So upper char at just the uppercase for the first letter, and then all the rest lowercase. Return that as a template literal. and boom, you got your answer. There you go. Thanks.